I'm gonna make them pink for right now though, because it's my room tour. Oh my god, baby. Oh, that was a good note.
Here to help you get out of bed and start your day.
I love it. Welcome to my bedroom. Hello guys, I am so excited for this video. We are officially going to redo my bedroom. Now, oh shit. If you guys have been watching my channel since the beginning of time, you have seen so many different room variations of my life. Yes, I believe my 2014 room tours are probably still up on this channel. You've seen the Harry Styles posters. You've seen all the things. And this room is definitely like my most adult room ever, considering I live with a boy. And I obviously am just becoming an adult, a real adult. I moved into this house 4 years ago. Yes, I know that's crazy. It was March 2020. We all know what was going on. And I kind of just like did my best decorating, but there was just a lot to do around the house. And slowly over the 4 years, I feel like I've tailored every room to be exactly what I want with my change in taste. And as I've grown older, and this is the only room left that I really haven't made it me, I'm ready to elevate this room to make it more of an adult space, to just make it more cozy, make it a room that I want to crawl into bed at night, watch movies, cozy up with Cal, and like actually spend time in. I'm so excited to take you guys along on this journey. Also, Cal and I already added in this beautiful Bose sound bar right here. Cue those clips right there. That was not an easy journey, let me just say. First step of the room redo, we are getting an upgrade. We have
Bose soundbar.
Let's go.
Yeah.
We're installing the sound bar. We also have a new bass over here, and Cal got us also surround sound. So we're gonna watch movies in bed. Our first issue, we don't know how to take the TV off. Oh my god, baby. Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. Hi everyone. Today we are at Atelier. They're here as well. If you guys have not heard of this place, it's in the Arts District in downtown. Let's go look around. If you haven't seen them online, they have all these gorgeous, just different rustic pieces that come from all over the world. They said like Turkey, China, Greece, Italy, all the places. Everything's heavy, so I need a wagon. We've got some gorgeous wooden pieces that you can use for catch-alls, decor, alone.
What is that?
A jewelry dish.
Where are you gonna put in it?
Secrets.
Remy likes rocks.
Ooh, that's pretty. Remy rocks. Everybody's getting some stuff. So cute. Today I'm really excited because I feel like the biggest part is happening. Mario, who is absolutely amazing, you guys will meet him, he's so sweet, who can do literally anything, is coming over and we are going to paint the walls. I have been wanting to paint the room for so long, but it's obviously just like a big project. We are going to paint the whole room. It's like this like velvet suede paint. Let's get into it. Hello guys, I just got home from a little birthday party and today is officially day one that they started painting. I wanted to make it a full surprise for me until everything was done, but I do have to go through my bedroom to go to the bathroom to do all my skincare and shower and things. So I figured I would film my first impression walking into the room. I'm a little nervous. I picked out the paint online and it's kind of hard to pick out paint online. I'm not sure if it's gonna be too gray or if it's even gonna look different than what was already in there. So let's see together, shall we? Here we go. Oh, it's beautiful. Wait, I actually love it. The walls are gonna actually be painted next week, but all of the wainscoting is painted. It looks incredible. Oh my God. Okay, I know it's so subtle for you guys, but in person, it's perfect. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like the perfect gray, beigey nude color. Here you go. You can see the difference. The white is going to be painted like a really pretty suede velvet kind of shade that matches this. And the nightstands and the dresser that I bought from Alicia are somewhere in here, and I think they're gonna match perfectly. Here's the dresser. Looks perfect with the nude and the gray nude. It looks so good. Cal wanted to really step up the room by adding some colored lights around. He went online and found light strips that go all around the floor, and then we added this cool cover on top to kind of diffuse the light, and you can make them any rainbow color. It's so pretty. So Mario and Louis just did the best job. I'll close my eyes.
All right.
I can't wait to see. Oh my God. It's exactly what I wanted. It doesn't look super crazy right now, but once I decorate, it's gonna look so good. I love it. They did such a good job. But I need to try the lights. Let me go find Cal. Let there be light! like at night, once I get this room clean and I add all the decor and like having it be pink and like watching a movie. Shut up. Shut up. Hi guys, welcome to the bedroom. Oh, that was a good note. I am so beyond happy with how this turned out. I have some updates to share with you guys, and then I'm going to put all the finishing touches on, and then it's going to be done by tonight, finally. Okay, so here is the room. Daisy loves the bed. I need to steam this today, so we're gonna steam this. We've got the dresser. We've got the chairs here. The curtain rods went up, so we need to add curtains today. Right now, we have our little fiddle leaf figs going on. These are from Target, but plants can really change the vibe of the room, and as much as I love this guy, I wanted to go for more of a calming olive branchy feel. And we've got tons of nude and natural wood and stone little pieces. So let's fast forward through this decor process and then the room will be done. Okay guys, the room is almost done. It looks so good. The last finishing touch that's going to hold the whole room together is choosing the curtains for the window in front of me. I've been having the hardest time trying to decide what color curtains to do. I really loved these ones, but I wasn't sure, you know, like maybe it was gonna be the wrong shade of nude, but in the light, I do think this one looks good. We've got nude as an option, and I like this material because it's really like soft and smooth, which means it'll be easy to steam and it probably won't get as wrinkled. But we have a couple other options that Cal is bringing up right now. Look who's here.
Hi.
What do you think of our new bedroom?
I think it looks amazing.
Really?
It looks so good.
Here's the question, you guys. Nude, black. The white is too stark, I think, right?
Let's look.
It's hard because it's gonna be backlit for you guys, but I want you to be a part of this. I think actually, because it's a different white than the windows too, it's too much. I'm nixing the white. White is a hard no. But now, black or nude. Ooh. Maybe we should hang one on each side and see. Nude's the way to go for sure. All right. Oh, it looks so good. That's definitely the vibe. Hello guys, welcome to my officially finished room. My favorite bedroom that I've ever had in my entire life. It came together so much better than I had even thought in my head. We are going back to OG YouTube days, and I'm going to give you a full room tour. And I just have to say, I think this is my most beautiful, calm, serene room that I've ever made, ever. And I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Come along, we'll start over here. We got a Momo on the floor. This rug is from, I forget, I'll link it down below, but I really wanted to add a rug in here, but I'm gonna be fully honest, I'm very weary of rugs around the house because with 3 dogs, there are accidents sometimes and it's just a whole thing and then it gets to be a lot. So I found this rug that's completely washable. I love it so much because it's extra thick and really cushy and soft. I mean, it's great for sound absorption for filming things like this, but also it's really cute. I feel like sometimes with a lot of washable rugs, they're not that cute. So I loved that I found a really cozy one that fit the room perfectly that the dogs love to just like sleep on all day long. I mean, Momo, do you like the rug? Do you want to give a review? Momo said, I love the rug, Mom. It's so nice. I can't wait to pee on it. We have here these gorgeous black doors. I love the black beams and the black accents throughout the house so much. So I wanted to keep those, keep the black bed, keep the black media console, and play off of those with the neutral tones to make it like a really pretty little mixture. So that's what I brought to the table. Cal brought to the table color. So he was like, Rem, I love the idea of the neutrals, but what if we added these really cool light strips all around the floor and like other little pops of color throughout the room to just make it a little bit more fun? And I loved that idea. So if you're over here, shout out to Mario and Louie, who first, oh my God, I didn't start there. I don't know how to do a room tour anymore. Shout out to our friends Mario and Louie who did an amazing job painting the room. And then you also saw they installed the lights all around the baseboards of the room, and it just looks so cool. And this remote is really cool because basically I can power off the lights if I want, I can power them on, and I can change them to any color of the rainbow with a swipe of a finger. I'm gonna make them pink for right now though because it's my room tour. Here we have this gorgeous mirror that's very dirty. I don't have any Windex, so I have to go buy Windex, but this beautiful mirror here from Impressions Vanity. Love you guys so much. I know this sounds dumb, but I switched switched out the tree that was here before, which was a fiddle leaf fig, which I have dispersed around the house already, and they look so pretty, and I love the vibrant pop of green. But I switched that for this olive tree here that I filled with my favorite Amazon moss. I just feel like it gives a way lighter, more zen, comforting feeling with like this kind of neutrally shade of green. Moving over here, other than the colored lights, I think this might be my favorite part of the whole room. Before, my nightstands were like half the size of this and didn't have nearly as much storage, and oh my goodness, these are amazing. Here I have my Hatch clock, which this is the sound that wakes me up in the morning.
Good morning, girl. It's me, Jada Essence Hall, here to help you get out of bed and start your day.
I love it! It also emulates a sunrise and it gets so bright. I really wanted to make this room extra dark too, so the alarm clock would just be like, boom! I got this light orb from Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys want it too. It's really cool. It changes colors. You can change it to like a night light, or I have it on rainbow right now. And I put one on each side of the room to add, again, just like a nice pop of color. We have my lamps here that I already had from before that I love. There's an outlet built into there, so I've got my phone charger in there. We've got our Bose surround sound speakers, which again, that was Cal's addition that he's very excited about. We've got my Google Home situation, which, you know, can tell me the weather or play music if I want to play music. I've got my melatonin sleep spray. My wonderful assistant Brooke gave me this very bougie room perfume that I spray when I'm feeling kind of frisky. Here we go. I use it very sparingly. I also have a little thing of remotes over there. Something else that I'm very excited about. They're little battery operated lights that you can hang over art. You can put them horizontally, vertically, whatever you want, but how fun is that? And I think it really elevated the room. So I've got the remote for those there. Oh my God, shout out to Hinge. That is the reason why I have the lights on my floor right now, because I met Cal, who put these lights on my floor. I am playing Pretty Basic currently on the TV, so Pretty Basic link down below. Here we have my media console, which if you open this up, we just keep, actually, you know, I'm not gonna open that up for you. We just keep extra sheets and maybe some other things. On the media console, I have like a little baby olive tree. This actually came in like a terracotta-ish colored planter that just did not match the vibe. So I spray painted them black. This is my humidifier. Ollie gets on me every day for not using a humidifier. So I use this now when I sleep. We've got this beautiful, gorgeous tray here that's from Atelier with some books. This is my Lord and Savior. This is an air purifier. I am someone who is ridden with allergies 24/7, and you guys, I'm not just saying this. I mean, Molecule, please send or sponsor me if you'd like. I have had pretty much like 0 allergic reactions to things since starting it. I'm not even kidding. Like, I'm someone who's allergic to pretty much every animal, dander, pollen, trees, grass, all the things. Game changer. Game changer. And then we have this giant candle that's lit. Here I have a nice basket of my merch blankets that I made 2 years ago on Dollars and Cozy Club. You can't get them anymore, but shop remicruz.com if I ever do merch again. So I added these little swivel boucle chairs that are so pretty, and then these were actually the pillows that were on my bed before. I threw one on here on accident. I literally went like this because I was taking off my bed, and it went like that, and I was like, wait, kind of looks stunning. I love the textural element and the pop of color that it adds. Black marble table, same plant on there, and then these gorgeous onyx candlestick holders, also from Atelier. Shout out to them. I love this little seating area, and we've been sitting here a lot, and Cal and I will just like sit here and chat all the time. I have started adding curtains all around my house. I'm gonna be so honest, when I first moved into this house, I paid a company to install these blinds all over. This was the biggest waste of money that I've ever spent. They break all the time. Curtains are actually like 1/50th of the price, and I installed the curtains around my house myself. Little tip, I'm sure a lot of us know that, but if you actually hang your curtains higher than your windows, it makes the room feel much taller. So these are all from Amazon. As you saw in the clips before, I couldn't decide white curtains, black curtains, nude curtains. I love the ones that we went with. They steamed very nicely, and if you are redoing your room, I feel like that is the first thing that you can do for a really good price, and it'll change the whole vibe of your room. So we added the curtains. This is the matching dresser that goes with the nightstands that Alicia Marie gave me, and this dresser is solely devoted to my pajamas. We have here shirts, oh my God, and then these are my matching pajama sets. This is my shorts and my miscellaneous pants that aren't matching, and then these are my fun little overflow into my onesies because I love pajamas. So for the decor on top of the dresser, this light I actually made myself. It was a lamp from Target, I think, and then I like stucco whatever this stuff is on top, and then this little light bulb is like a little battery operated one, so you just like turn on the switch so you don't have to plug it in. That's my lamp. Got another little plant here. We have some photos of the engagement, because Cal really wanted to put engagement photos in here. A little bust, if you will. Cal's nightstand over here, which nothing crazy going on there. You have my really ugly paintings. They're stunning, but they did come completely broken, and I did have to duct tape them. But don't you worry, I'm getting new ones sent to me that'll be here in a few weeks. Hopefully they don't come broken. It looks so good, truly, guys. When the paintings went up, I was like, oh, it's better than I could have thought. And then last but not least, we have my bed, which again, this bed is the same bed we had before. I just switched the sheets. I am a big fan of Brooklinen sheets. So we've got Brooklinen sheets under here, and then my actual bed cover is the same one that we had before in black, but they make it in nude, so I got the nude with some little boucle pillows to match the boucle chairs, and that is my new room. I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole journey from start to finish coming with me. It took longer than I expected, but I am seriously so happy about everything. But on that note, make sure you guys are subscribed to my vlog channel if you're not subscribed already, and this channel, obviously. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, all the things, Cooking with Remi, MissRemiAshten, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!